The reason I talk about debt is because in 1971, when I was in Vietnam, Nixon took the dollar off the gold standard.
Right.
They don't tell you that. Money became debt. And so then these communist school teachers tell you to get out of debt, like what's his name, Dave Ramsey and all that, live debt free. And that's good advice for the average person because debt will kill you. But debt is money today. And so when I acquire an asset, I use debt. So what happens is I make money in my, let's say my business, book sales. At that point, let's say I make $1 million in books. What I have to borrow is like 10 million in debt to buy a property. And because I borrowed the 10 million, I buy a property. And let's say the property is I buy 10 million, it's now $100 million. And all this stuff is the magic called financing. I pay no taxes. But most of these academic types live debt free and they own a house they call an asset and they drive their Lexus or their Toyota and they wonder, what's wrong with me?